Hey there, Dory again with Next Stage Drumming. Today we're going to do something completely different. Last time we did a very chill kind of video for stress relief. We took some deep breaths, we kind of swept the drum, we did a little heartbeat action. Today we're going to do something that's really going to up your energy levels quite a bit because I'm finding that a lot of people have been either holding things in, pretending everything's fine, or they just are holding back quite a bit. So whenever I do, whether it's private drum therapy sessions or group events, I always encourage people to let loose and let it go. No rules, just right, just as the old Outback Steakhouse commercial used to go. Anyway, I'm not going to pretend to do an Australian accent, so don't worry. Anyway, so grab whatever you have handy. If you have a drum, I've got a djembe here. You can use a drum pad, drum kit, buffalo drum, whatever you have. You could drum on your lap, but we're going to drum pretty loud and pretty fast, so it might not quite work. What I usually do to start off my sessions, especially with the little kids, is we always open and close the session with a really fast drum roll. Because let's face it, all the kids are super hyper and they can't wait for Miss Dory to explain things. They just want to jump right in. So stretch out a little bit. There you go. I'd be hitting the edges of my drum. Notice the slap. Really quick drum roll. Are you ready? As fast as you can. Take a deep breath. 1, 2, ready, go! There we go. Not bad for grandma, huh? Keep up with me, people. All righty. Next, you just kind of noodle around and you just improvise. Whatever pops into your head, just throw it out there. There we go. And yes, I know I messed up the beat somewhere along the line. Don't be hating. Oh well. The most important thing is just don't go for perfection. Just go for fun and let loose. I'm going to close out with the drum kit just because. Hope you guys are doing well. Take a breath, take a break, tap out some beats. If you need anything, hop on over to nextstagedrumming.com or shoot me an email, Dory at nextstagedrumming.com, and let's have a chat. There you go. And there you go. Till next time.